In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank accounts to Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger organization, linking your bank accounts can streamline your transactions and make your financial tracking more efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin this process, first, navigate to the banking module within Zoho Books. You can easily find the banking section on the left sidebar of your screen. This is essentially your launchpad for any banking activities within Zoho Books. By directing your attention here, you'll be able to manage bank integration, view bank transactions, and set up new bank connections effortlessly. Next up, we need to initiate the process of adding a new account. To do this, locate and click on the plus Add Bank or Credit Card button situated in the top right corner of the page. This action will kickstart the bank account linking procedure. It's a straightforward step, and you'll find it quite simple to execute as long as you're in the banking section. Upon clicking, a new page will appear, prompting you to select your setup method. For this tutorial, we'll focus on manually entering your bank account details, so go ahead and click on the Enter Your Account Manually option. This method is often preferred if your bank is not listed for automatic connection or if you simply prefer to input details on your own. Once you've selected Manual Setup, a form will appear requesting specific account details. This is where you'll provide all the crucial information for your bank account. Let's go through what you need to enter. Start with the account name, which is a display name in Zoho Books for easy identification. Next, you may enter an account code, which is optional, but useful if you have multiple accounts and need quick references. Define the currency your account transactions are in, ensuring it aligns with your financial records. Enter the account number as provided by your bank. You will also need to input the bank name, an essential detail for cross-referencing your bank transactions in Zoho Books. Depending on your regional edition of Zoho Books, you'll be required to enter a 9-digit routing number for the US or an 11-digit IFSC code along with branch details for India. Finally, there's an optional description field to add any extra notes that may be helpful for your records. With all the necessary details filled in, the final step is to click Save to complete the process of adding your bank account manually. This saves your data securely in Zoho Books, and you're now ready to start managing your transactions right from this platform. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your bank account to Zoho Books, streamlining your financial management and making your bookkeeping easier to handle. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more tools and tips for effective financial management with Zoho Books.